Welcome back to your next lesson of guitar. Today we are going to be learning a couple of new chord shapes and two different songs. So they're going to be two different parts. So make sure you don't just watch this one and think you're done. Go check out part two. All right, let's zoom into this guitar and let's hear what this thing sounds like. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Alright, so our first piece is pumped up kicks. And the way we're going to arrange this is we're going to start off with a riff played twice and then we're going to go for chords strummed twice. Alright, so let's break down the riff to start off with. So we have a 000. This riff is all about 000s. There's only one point where you don't have a 000, okay? So we start off on the low E string, 0, 0, 0. Alright, so 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, one more, 0. 0, 0. Nice and easy. And remember, if you don't have a pick, use your thumb. But if you do have a pick and you feel like you're good with your thumb, still use the pick. Get used to it, all right? And have it on the bridge. All right, so we're going to go 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, 3. Now we're going to make sure each of these fingers has its own fret. So the ring finger is in charge of the 3rd fret. The middle finger is in charge of the 2nd fret. Index finger, 1st fret. So we're not going to let this middle finger go to the 3rd fret. We're not going to let the ring finger go to the 2nd fret. They have to remain on their frets, okay? We want to train some finger independence. So we're going to go 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, 3. Only 2 3s. Even though it's number 3, don't play 3 3s. Play 2 3s. 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, 3, 0, 2. Alright, so part 1 is 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, 3. Notice how I held that 2. 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, 3. It's like 2, 3, 3. Okay? That's part 1. Then part 2, we go on the A string, 0, 2. Just so that's the only time we have 1 0. 0, 2. Then the D string, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Alright? 0, 2, 0, 0, 0. 3 zeros on the D string. Again, let's go. 0, 2, 0, 0, 0. Then we go back up. 0, 2, 0, 0, 0. Back up to the A string. 2. Then we play another 000 there. 0, 0, 0. Alright? 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0. So that's part 3 when we go back to the A string. 2, 0, 0, 0. Another 000. So far for part 1, 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, 3, 0, 2, 0. 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0. Alright, so part 2 was 2, 0, 0, 0. Then we finish off with a 2, 3. Alright, 2, 3 on the low E. 2, 3, 0. Then we start again. So try it. 2, 3, 0. That 0 is the first 0 in part 1. 2, 3, 0. Again, 2, 3, 0. Let's try the whole of part 2. 1, 2, 3, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, 0. Again, part 2. 1, 2, 3, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, 0. Alright, and then we just go for the riff 2 times through. So let's try it nice and slow. 1, 2, I'm going to go for 2. 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, 3, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, 0, 0, 0, 2. This is the second one. 3, 3, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 2, 3. Then we get to that E minor. After the second one, we don't go 2, 3, 0. We'll go 2, 3, E minor. And that E minor actually starts on a 0 because that's the low E string. So 2, 3, 0, but strum on an E minor. You should know your E minor, middle finger, 2nd fret, ring finger, 3rd fret of the A and D. You strum from the low E string. Alright, so let's try that one last time, a bit quicker. 1, 2, 3, let's go. 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, 3, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, 3, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 2, 3. E minor, then a G, then a D, A sus 2. All right, those are the 4 chords you need to know. An E minor, we went through all these chords last week. G, so G is, well, we like these shortcuts. If I'm going from an E minor to a G, I just lift my ring finger up to the 3rd fret of the low E, pinky goes down, right there. The middle finger didn't change strings. All it did was move forward. Remember, you need to get the best sound by moving your fingers forward and putting pressure. G, drop it down. Notice how the ring finger and middle finger move down like this. Boom, right there. Ring finger is still higher than the middle finger, but then I add my index finger to the 2nd fret of the G, strum from the D string. That's my D chord, okay? So, E minor, and then a G, and then a D, and then A sus2, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D, ring finger on the 2nd fret of the G, not the 3rd, and you strum it from the A string. So any A string from the A, any D string from the D, any E and G chord from the low E, okay? So let's go for it. Egda, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, E minor, and then a G, and then a D, then A sus2, then we repeat, just take that same shape back to E minor, and then a G, and then a D, then A sus2, then we finish on E minor. Now, 2 very important things. When you want to develop good speed in changing between chords, the 2 things you need to know. You want to take small movements, number 1. So I'm not going, and then putting my fingers, then putting my fingers, and then putting my fingers. I'm literally just going like this. So E minor, I lift my ring finger, add my pinky. I drop these down, add my D, add my other fingers. Then I take this up to an A sus2, and then boom, just back up. So the first thing is you want to think of small movements. And the next thing you need to think of is you're moving both fingers at the same time. So if I'm going from A sus2 to E minor, the first thing is a small move. I hop. Just a small hop. I'm not flicking my fingers and putting it back down. Just a small hop. And I'm moving both fingers together. I'm not going one middle finger, then my ring finger. No, I'm moving both together. So those are the 2 things you need to focus on. Small movements and both fingers at the same time. All fingers. Sometimes you'll need to move 4 fingers at the same time. So like here, I move 2 fingers, my ring and pinky. Here I move all fingers. Actually move 3 right there. Then A sus2, boom, move it right there. Hop it back up to E minor. So practice those 2 things. Pay attention to those 2 things. Practicing the chords and paying attention to those 2 things will make you really good at your chord changes. All right, so now since we have that E, G, D, A, what we're going to do is we're going to go 2, 3, down, down, up, down. 1 down, down, up, down on every chord, okay? 2, 3, down, down, up, down, then down, down, up, down, D, strum from the D string. Then A sus2, strum from the A. Repeat E minor, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, finish. All right, let's try it again from the end of the riff, the 2, 3, let's go. 2, 3, down, down, up, down, G, down, up, down, D, down, up, from the D string, then A, from the A, down, up, down, read, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, finish on E minor. All right, if that's a little bit hard, then you just need to go practice it, because now we're going to take it a little bit quicker. Let's go. 2, 3, down, down, up, down, 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 up, small moves, and all fingers at the same time. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Finish on an E minor. All right, now it's time to put it all together. Starting off with our riff played twice, then straight into our chords. 1, 2, nice and slow. 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, 3, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, second time. 0, 0, 2, 3, 3, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, down, down, up, down, 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 down. finish on an E minor, hold it. Yeah, rockstar finish. All right, let's try it now at a nice, good speed. How the song would go in the original tempo. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Boom. Let's go. Down, down, up, down, 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 finish. All right, and that right there is pumped up kicks. Make sure you practice those chords and get very comfortable with it. And once you've tried it, go ahead to part 2 and try our next song. We'll bring in a new chord shape. I'll see you there.